welcome back to the Wild West of Ireland. A little update for those that watched my previous video. We bought a goat on the 23rd of December. She's doing well, and there is a big announcement to make about her. We bought her on the 23rd of December. She actually had twins on the 26th of December. I didn't want to post a video straight away just in case they didn't survive, and as you can probably tell from my voice, I am full of man flu at the moment. But we'll go out and have a look at the twins in a minute. This time of year is not ideal to be having twins. The weather's hard frosty at the moment, and we're expecting snow in the coming days. But we're keeping her inside all but about 10 minutes a day when I let her out to muck her stable out. The rest of the time she's inside on good dry bedding. So let me get wrapped up and we'll go out and I'll show you how the twins are doing. I've been out into the forest this morning to get a load of ivy, as I do most days, just to supplement her feed. She's on hay, ivy and a goat mix. I believe goats need a good forage, and because I can't let her out for very long, this is the way I'm doing it. Peggy is loose all the time. She can go and forage whenever she wants, but she always prefers to steal food. She's an absolute outright thief. As you can see, she's getting stuck straight into the ivy. Here's the twins. A doe and a buck. Always nice to get one of each. These were born on the 26th of December, as I said. So they're doing quite well now. This one with the white stripe is the buck. Look at those white rings around his feet. If you're interested in seeing how these little beauties get on, please consider subscribing. We've got a lot of videos coming up in the future. House restoration videos, vegetable growing, just the general off-grid lifestyle. So now that I've fed these, I'm going to head down the glen with two of the dogs to the beach and maybe even get some seaweed to add to my compost pile. Bye for now.